Good morning, happy Saturday to everyone. Here I am with Scuba Steve. We are on our way to go junking and to meet Debi. You know, we were supposed to be there at 10:30. No, we were supposed to be there at 9:30. 9:30. And then we hung back a little bit because Debi, when she says 9:30, she really means 10. So we're like, okay, well, we still have time. And then it got to be a little bit closer to our leaving time because it's only like 6 minutes away from our house where we're going. And she then says, oh, sorry, let's make it 10:30. I had to stop at a garage sale on my way. So I am like, okay, well, garage sale, a little bit late. What are we to do? I mean, we're shopping for her today. So anyway, oh, honey, look, there's a garage sale. Turn.
My cart is empty. I've got my new shoes and my new dress. I am waiting to get some cash, and I'm waiting for Melissa to show up, and then we will go in. Apparently Khalif has a box truck full of stuff. I'm super excited. I've got my flea market bag as seen in previous videos, and the new comfy ruched tennis shoes. Love them. They come in red and camo, and we have turquoise coming as well.
Howdy,
Hello.
peeps.
Hello,
How's
Melissa.
it going?
I'm good.
I brought my fun stick today.
How
Woo!
fun.
Pink and everything. You're so cute.
So
Oh my
are
gosh,
you.
and you have the shoes on. I've
you
packed up so many of these shoes just yesterday.
It's amazing. I
Yeah.
forgot my glasses, so I gotta get them out of my car.
How are you, Steve?
Good, how are you?
Are you ready to rise?
Me?
Yeah.
I'm always ready to rise.
Rise and shine?
Yep.
Are you excited to shop?
No,
Why not?
I'm not a good shopper.
Oh,
I'm a bad shopper.
No, I don't believe it.
Here's what a dork I am. I walked all the way back to my car from way
Over there.
over there to get my glasses, which were in my purse the whole freaking time. And I checked the purse. I checked it. I double, triple checked it.
That's because you need your glasses.
I know!
No.
All right, Melissa, I'm giving you 100, 20, 40, 81.
Woohoo!
And I've got
100.
What can you get with $100?
I could get a buttload of stuff for $100.
Get good stuff.
Good stuff.
Stuff that people want to buy.
I get lots of good stuff that people want to buy.
These are chicken canisters. There's 4 of them in here. You gotta pay 2 for 5. Opening. And then there's like, there's 4. So she wants 10. I can take it.
Oh, it's a sewing chair? You open it up and it has all of the little compartments for your thread and needles. That is cool. Look at all these cute little mirrors. It is so busy. This is the first time I've been back on a weekend. They're pretty cool. Look at it next to my finger. And this old milk glass little handle stick. These, I think these are great. Look at the glass on the back. It just hangs on the wall, and it's a candlestick. And then this little glass piece. It looks, I'm not exactly sure. You put a candle inside. It has a chain on the top. It has the crosses on the side, and it has the crosses in the top copper. Very cool. Very happy.
I just spotted Khalif's booth. I'm gonna let Melissa know and have her meet me down here. He's got some good stuff, you guys. There's a globe. This looks pretty cool. I always love the globes. It's a little worn out, but I have ideas. Let's see what else we got going on. Table. Look at the old fan. This table's really tall.
What I'm supposed to say?
So Khalif was just telling me about this truck that he purchased.
Yes, thanks to everyone, the whole world,
Look at
and
this
everyone.
big box truck for his business.
Yes.
So you want to like describe your life before the truck and how you would have to go to the auctions? Just tell me what you were saying.
Yeah, so my daily schedule is with my little red pickup. I'll go to auctions, yard sales, whatever, and load it all up, get to my yard, unload it all. So I'm working like 12, 2 o'clock in the morning to unload it. I might fall asleep. Then I come back and do it all over again. And if I didn't finish at night, then I have to finish in the morning, then run off. My landlord is upset that nothing's supposed to be on the floor. I leave everything on the floor. I never had really much of a life. But I was always grateful because I love what I do. It makes me feel rich because I'm happy.
Yeah.
And so now I have the storage on wheels. And so now I can be able to breathe better, watch the sunset, pray for everybody more. Pray for, communicate more, I get more, I'm gonna be more like Debi more, I can watch the videos instead of watching the whole live thing. Instead of fast forward, I could watch it, in like normal speed. I don't know if you knew that, but that's what I do. I watch it like fast forward, and I just and then I rewind, and I catch part as like reading a book.
Yeah.
Fast speed, but yeah.
Awesome. So he's got this awesome box truck. I'm going to show you the outside of it, but I was thinking that he should paint his business name on the outside and be like a traveling show where he could, when I finally get my second location, he could pull up and have a big Khalif sale in my parking lot.
That represents shipwreck.
Yes, the shipwreck crew. Yes, it's appropriate. It was totally meant to be. All right, you guys, come see Khalif at Kobe Swap Meet. Subscribe to his new Facebook page. He just went live for the first time there, and he's going to start posting as soon as I give him the admin keys. I got to figure that out.
Thanks you guys.
Khalif.
Don't be too harsh on the comments because I'm sensitive.
Yeah. No, everybody loves you. Everybody loves you.
No, I really love you. I love everything that you guys are doing. Let's do it over.
There is Khalif's new box truck, you guys. How awesome is that?
Look at this. Can you actually see it against the chain link fence? This will be so cool painted. Look at it, even has like a little jellyfish up here. Some fish, some seahorses. This is awesome.
Maybe. We gotta keep cruising.
Check it out, Dad, look, I found something to plant more succulents in. She's ignoring me.
Very cool galvanized tricycle.
Around, and I come across this cool little backpack rolly thing, and I notice from the top there's something inside. So I'm opening it one-handed. And there's a sign inside. Very cool. It says joy. look what else. Can you see it? It's a globe, but it's a black one. Look at this. Oh, cool. It's a little roughed up on the edge. And let me see what else is in here. Oh, check it out. There's a drone in here too.
No way.
Yeah, it's like, and a magic hat. Cool. Look what else. It's a hat. It's like just in time for Christmas. A Frosty the Snowman hat. Amazing. Amazing stuff.
4 mid-century chairs, $2.50. Those are very cool.
Okay, I'm loving this clock. We're looking for a clock for the Airbnb. Check it out. It's cracked, but there's screws in the back that we could take the glass out. And we can replace it if you want, or just leave it out.
I love this quilt. It's handmade. Very cool. That's very interesting. Never seen anything like that before.
Oh man, look at these orchids. They are gorgeous. I wish I could totally ship these to you guys.
Ann, how are you doing?
Doing good. How are you?
I'm well. Look at these milk jug lamps. Are those cool or what? Right, this is Ann's space. This is where I bought those 2 little lamps last time.
My load for today, plus the dresser that Khalif gave me, I did not even spend my $100, not even close.
Hey, check out what I just found here in Ann's space. These are those little things like you put your foot in on the saddle to ride your horse. I thought they would be super cute if you could somehow mount them and you could make it into a little hand towel rack or something in your bathroom. Someone who's really like equestrian.
A lot of cool things. This was from Khalif. I think it could be a really cool industrial lamp. I'm not even sure what it was for. So this from Khalif, and the worn out globe, which is very old, and I've always wanted to make one with molds, so that could be a fun project. And that beautiful, beautiful dresser. Yeah, I saw a lot of things that I liked, like that bicycle that was all galvanized, but I'm just like, we are so jam-packed that it's very hard for me to buy anything big right now. So I passed up a lot of things today, but I feel like we have some good stuff for next week. I really love the chicken canisters and the shipwrecked crew item. So we'll see what Melissa got. And I need to head back to my house and finish the video of the new dresser. I'm super excited about that.
Okay, here's our haul. We got a bunch of stuff. It's like full to the brim today. And we have to go and pick up a dresser for Debi from Khallif. So we're totally just gonna back our truck up to the fence and get him to hand it over with my honey.
Look at my new hat.
Yes, he got a new hat today. Show me your muscles, man. Woo, woo. Those muscles are gonna lift that dresser over the fence.